Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am here, your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting, I have some instructions for all of you. Kindly listen and follow them carefully. Sit quietly and properly in front of your screen. Don't raise hand during class. If you have any one question and concern, you can chat me button last given minutes. My dear student, yesterday as you know that I have completed unit number 14 movement. Today I am starting new unit which is about today I am starting unit number 9 solids and liquid. Solids and liquid. So let's open your book. Page number 42 in your book. Page number 42. You have solids and liquid unit. Get ready for your today task. This is your book page number 42. Unit number 9 solid and liquid. This is your unit number 9 solid and liquid. The things that we use or see around us are made up of different materials. The things that we use or see around us are made up of different materials. Some of these materials are solid and some are liquid. My dear students, as you know that previous I have shared with you about the materials. So today I will continue materials. That material are different. Some materials are solids and some are liquids. And today topic is also solids and liquids. So today I will discuss with you about the solid and liquid. Here are some solids. Look at this picture. In this picture you can find here the house. So what do you understand by this? It's mean house is solid. What do you understand by this picture? This is tree and tree is solid. Guitar is solid. And what about these blocks? Blocks are also solids. What about these pictures? Here are some liquids. Water, cold drink, milk and honey. These all are the examples of liquid. So, I will continue my topic by giving you the different definition and examples of solid and liquid. So, this one is about the solid. Solid. Let's start. Solid has fixed shape. Solid object, size and shape remain the same. Everybody keep in your mind that solid has fixed shape, solid object, size and shape remain the same. Okay, my dearest student. Now you are sitting on a table, on a chair. So touch your table or a chair. What do you think about it? What do you think about it and what do you observe? Touch your table and chair and whatever you are sitting right now. Touch it. What do you think about it? Is it hard? So definitely, if it is hard, it is solid. Solid has a fixed shape. You can observe that solid things shape fixed. It cannot change. It cannot change. Solid object size and shape remain the same. Okay, beta? The solid object size and shape remain the same. Okay? Examples of solids are wood, plastic, block, glass, etc. There are many things. There are many things which we observe in our daily life that are solids. First of all, every student take the screenshot of the slides because I have given this slide into the home task. Into the home task. Okay, my dearest student. So, what you will do? Okay. Solid has fixed shape. Solid object size and shape remain the same. Okay, my dear student. Solid has fixed shape. Solid object size and shape remain the same. Example: wood, plastic, block, glass, etc. Okay. Now, what about the next? Here are the examples of solid. Here are the examples of solid. According to these pictures, you can see the name of these pictures. Eyes are also solid. Cheese. Cheese. Do you like cheese in your pizza? Do you like cheese in your pizza? Do you like it? Yes. Cheese you also use in your pizza. So cheese is also liquid. And what about the bricks? Bricks mean bricks mean by the help of bricks you make your wall. Mason make wall by the help of bricks. Wood, definitely you know very well about the wood. Okay, wood is also solid. Watch. Do you have a watch? Very good. So watch is solid. Diamond. You can see the diamond here. You can see the diamond here. So diamond is also solid. Glass. Look at this. This is glass. And this one is also solid. So in this slide, I have shared with you examples of solid, but more examples I have for you for your clear concept. Now, come on the next slide, that is also about the solid. I made here many solid objects for your clarification. Solid examples are tree. It's mean wood. Also solid. Helicopter materials are solid. Submarine. Where you see the submarine? Submarine inside the water. Submarine is inside the water. It is the ship. But where it is found, you can see it inside the water. Okay. Jackhammer. It is the type of drill machine. House is also solid. Bulldozer, solid. Hammer, solid. Clock, solid. Saw, solid. And what about these toys? Toys are also solid, but here are blocks. By the help of blocks, you made the different things. Many students have blocks in their house. Mariam also have blocks in their house. Okay, in her house. So, solids different examples are guitar, robot, truck, pizza. These all are the examples of solids. I hope now you have the clear identification about the solid. As I have shared with you that solid means something which is firm, often dry to the touch and has fixed shape. Okay, beta, solid has a fixed shape. The shape and size of the solid remain same. Okay, and the examples of solids are wood, glass, block, clock, truck, guitar. Okay, so let's continue our topic. Liquid. Liquid is fluid. Now, as I have discussed with you about the solid, the term is liquid. Liquid is fluid, wet, and have no fixed shape. Touch the water if you have inside on your table. What do you feel about it? As many times you have touched the water when you take bath, when you goggles, so you use water. What about the water? Water is fluid, wet, and have no fixed shape. Liquid is fluid, wet, and have no fixed shape. For example, when you keep water in cup, the shape of the water like the cup. When you keep water in glass, the water shape look like the glass. When you keep water in a bottle, it may be a small bottle, it may be a large bottle, the shape of the water will be look like the bottle. Okay, my dearest students, so liquid is fluid and wet and have no fixed shape. The shape of the liquid when you keep the liquid in any one container, pot. When you put the liquid in any one pot, in any one container, so it's changed the shape. It's changed the shape. When you put, when you keep water in glass, the shape of water like the glass. When you keep water in cup or in a bottle or in a mug or any one pot, so it will change the shape according to their container or their pot. Okay, my dearest students. So what about this? What about this? Liquid is fluid, wet and have no fixed shape. Liquid is fluid and have no fixed shape. Okay, my dearest student. So the examples of fluid liquid are water, milk, honey, cold drink, juice, etc. There are many things which are liquid, but the first and the best example of liquid is water, because water is fluid, wet and have no fixed shape. Milk is fluid, wet and have no fixed shape. Honey is liquid. Okay, when you keep the honey in any one jar, definitely it will change the change shape of honey like the jar. Cold drink, it is also about when you keep it in any one container. If you keep it in a glass, if you put it in a glass cold drink, you put it in a glass, definitely the shape of the cold drink like this. Juice, what about the juice? When you put the juice in any one glass or in a bottle or a cup or a mug, it will be look like this. It will be look like this. So I hope you all have the clear identification and concept, clear your concept about the liquid. Again, liquid is fluid, wet and have no fixed shape. What about the liquid? What is the difference between solid and liquid? Solid has fixed shape, but liquid has no fixed shape. Okay, my dearest student, solid has fixed shape. Okay, but liquid has no fixed shape. So there are many more examples of liquids: juice, water, oil, milk, soft drinks, vinegar are the different examples of liquids, are the different examples of liquid. These all are liquid you can see in your daily life. Okay, so I have other more examples of liquid. There are many more examples of liquid which I have prepared for you for your clear concept. Coca, bathtub water, fresh water which is in the beaker. Soup is also liquid. Okay, sink water, when you wash your mouth, when you goggles, so where you take the water? Sink water. Okay, melted snow, when snow start melting, it turn into water. When snow on a mountain, when snow on mountain start melting, it turn into water. Milk is also liquid. Juice, liquid. Beach water, seaside water, liquid. River water, liquid. Pond water, swimming pool water, liquid. What about the tap water? Water, liquid. Cold drink, liquid. Juice, liquid. Honey, liquid. So I have shared with you the different examples of liquid. I hope you have the clear concept about the liquid. I have one more explanation about that some solids can be changed into liquid. Some solids can be changed into liquid. So how is it possible? Look at this. Some solids can be changed into liquid. Observe this slide, then I will explain you. First you will observe this slide, then I will explain you what happening here. Look at this carefully. This is the solid and this is the ice. When ice melt, it turn into liquid. And when water liquid freeze, it turn into solid. Solid start melting, turn into liquid. When liquid freeze, it turn into ice again. Okay, so I have a topic right now that some solids can be changed into liquid. Some solids can be changed into liquid. So I have an example of ice cube. Observe this ice cube. This one is the ice cube and this one is solid. After melting, it turn into liquid. and sometimes liquid freeze and turn into solid again. Okay, my dearest student, think about it. When you taking out the ice cube from the freezer, after some time, what happened? After some time, it start melting. It start melting, and again, when you keep this water liquid into the freezer, definitely it change its shape and it turn into solid again. If you have book in your hands right now, so open your book page number 43. In book page number 43, you see this picture that some solids can be changed into liquid. When ice cubes are warmed, they will melt and turn into water. When ice cubes are warmed, they will melt and turn into water. So there are many other examples of solid which after turn into liquid after melting. So what we know so far, solids turn into liquid after melting. What we know right now, we know that solids turn into liquid after melting. For example, here is an example of ice cream. When we taken out the ice cream from the freezer, it will start melt. Okay, and it will become soft and milky. What about the ice cream? When we keep the ice cream in a freezer, the shape of the ice cream remain the same. But when we taken out ice cream from the freezer, what happened? Ice cream change into the soft and milky. Okay, but some liquid turn into solids after freezing. Same as it is, there are some liquid which can turn into solid. Same example of ice cream. When you keep the ice cream liquid into the freezer, definitely it will be turned into the ice cream. How ice cream made? Ice cream made by liquid. Liquid are cream and milk and juices and the flavors. They all the things are liquid. When all the liquid combine and keep them in a freezer, so after some time the liquid of ice cream turn into the solid ice cream. Okay, and same as it is, when you take out the ice cream from the freezer, solids turn into liquid. It will turn into liquid because it will be melt after some time. Okay, now I have one more example. Liquid, this is the water glass. This is a glass of water. This is the glass of water. Liquid glass of water, after cooling, it change into solid. It change into solid. Okay, my dearest student, it change into solid. Liquid after cooling change into solid. Okay, when you keep the glass of water or a water bottle in freezer, what happen after some time? After some time, liquid change into solid because water has cooled. Water has cooled, and liquid water after cooling change into solid, and the solid is ice cube. Solid is ice. It may be the shape of the container. In which container you will fill the liquid and keep it in a freezer, definitely the ice shape will be look like the container shape. Okay, when you keep the water bowl in a freezer for making ice, so it will be turned into ice cube? No, definitely it has the shape of a bowl. Okay, now I have one more example for you. Ice, this is also ice. So what happened? When you taking out the ice from the freezer, it start melting and turn into water. Okay, and turn into water. When you taking out the ice cubes from the freezer, what happened? After some time, it start melting and turn into water. Okay, my dearest students, so everybody keep in your mind that some solid can be changed into liquid. Right now, I have shared the many times the example of ice which turn into water. But right now, I have other examples. Look at this. What is this? Everybody observe it carefully. What is this? Candle. Candle. I hope all of you have seen when candle burn, when candle melt. So what happened? Candle is solid. Candle is solid. But when it heated, it start melting. When it heated, it start melting and it change into liquid wax. How it will be changed? Because when it would be heated, it start change into liquid wax. So there are the many more other examples of solids which after heating melt. Which after heating melt. One more example I have for you. Oh wow! Look at this. All of you like ice cream? Me too. So look at this. What happened with this? It start melting. But why it's melt? Because you taken out it from the freezer. When you keep the ice cream in the freezer, it remains solid. But when you take it out the ice cream from the freezer, definitely it will be start melt. Mama said, quickly eat it, quickly eat it. Why she said that? Because it will start melt. Okay, it will start melt. Do you like this? Yes. Okay, so there are many examples when some solids can be changed into liquid. I have shared with you solid ice cube start melting when taken out of the freezer. Ice cream when taken out of the freezer, it start melting. And do you have any example in your mind? Yes, definitely chocolate. You keep the chocolate in the freezer, but when you take it out from the freezer, after some time you look at this, it change into melted. It melt. Okay, my dearest student. So some other material will change into liquid after melting. Solids to liquid. So I have other more examples which I have prepared for you for making your concept clear. Okay, what about this? Solids to liquids. Name the foods, then using a pencil join the solid to turn liquid. Here are the solids and here are the liquids. So I will share with you that solids how turn into liquid. How turn into liquid. So look at this. This is the cheese. This is the cheese. You use the cheese in your pizza. Do you like it? I also like it. Okay. Cheese used in pizza. But when it start melting, it will be look like this. Melted cheese. What about this? Melted cheese. Melted cheese. The next one is, what about this? Chocolate. When you keep the chocolate in freezer, it will be look like the same. But when you keep it out from the freezer and when you keep it from the heaty hot place, what it will be changed? It will be changed and turned into melted chocolate. Okay, so there are two examples of solids which turn into liquid after melting, but there are many more examples of solid which change into liquid after melting. One, ice cubes. Many times I have shared with you that ice cubes turn into water after melting. What about this? Ice cream. There are teacher use many times picture of ice cream. Why? Because you like it. All of you like it. So ice cream melt and turn into soft and milky. Okay. When ice cream melt, what happened? When ice cream melt, it turn into soft and milky. It turn into soft and milky. Okay, my dearest student. And what about this? Do you know the name of this? Yes, good students. Butter. Butter after melting change into melted butter. Mama put the butter on your paratha. Do you like it? Butter with paratha? Paratha with butter? Okay. So why she use it? Because melted. Because butter melt and turn into melted butter. Okay, so I use the different example here for making your concept clear that how solids turn into liquid. So there are some solids which change into liquid. Okay, now this one is about the mind map. This task I have given you in your home task slide. So everybody observe it carefully and you can take the screenshot of this right now. Here I have made the two mind map, one for the solid and one for the liquid. There are 6 arrows. It means you will write here the 6 names of anyone 6 solids name and anyone 6 liquids name. For example, I am sharing with you that solid, house, tree, blocks, glass, window, and one more. Yes, your mobile phone, your laptop, your computer, mouse. There are many things which are solids, but you will select the 6 name for making your mind map complete. Now this time liquid. You will write here the different liquids name and many liquids names I have shared with you. So this task is for you that how you will be completed. Liquid, milk, water, juice, cold drink, honey, oil. Okay, my dearest students. So this one for you. Let's start our let's start our conclusion. Conclusion. In unit number 9, solid and liquid, today we have learned about the solid has a fixed shape. Okay, solid has a fixed shape. Solid has a fixed shape and it cannot change the shape and size. But after some condition, it may be changed. And liquid is fluid. You know very well liquid is fluid. Some solids can be changed into liquid, and I have given you the many examples of how solids can be changed into liquid. Solid has a fixed shape, and solid means something which is firm, often dry to the touch and has shape. I have discussed with you about the solid, that solid means something which is firm, often dry to the touch and has shape. And what about the liquid? I shared with you that liquid is fluid, wet and have no fixed shape. The shape of the liquid look like the container shape. And what about the solids? Some solids can be changed into liquid. How it will be changed into liquid? Some solids can be changed into liquid but after melting. Okay, same as it is. Some liquid can be changed into liquid. How? After freezing. Okay, now get ready for the screenshot. This is the home task. So first start the taking the screenshot of your home task. Do book exercise from page number 43. Everybody open your book right now and look at the book page number 43. In book here page number 43 you have the exercise I am showing you. Look at this. This one is your exercise in your book page number 43 and how you will be completed. In your exercise book page number 43, number 1, those solids which can be changed into liquid. You will take those solid which can be changed into liquid. Number 1, butter can be changed into liquid. Yes, it means you will make a right sign here. Where you will be making right sign here. Bread can be changed into liquid. No, so no one sign will be here. Ice cube can be changed into liquid. Yes, so you will make a right sign here. Tick sign mean here. Where you will make? Yeah, here you will be making. D. Chocolate bar. What do you think? I have shared with you that chocolate bar after some time start melting. So definitely solid will change into liquid after some time. That is right. Okay. So butter, ice cubes and chocolate bar can be changed into liquid. So let's start our home task. After completing your book page number 43, I have given you a question in your copy. First, you will make the title page of your unit number 9, solid and liquid. And yesterday, as you have completed your unit number 14, movement work. Okay? Good student have completed. And in your chat box, you will write your name who have completed their science work. Definitely, I will make a star on their faces and on their hands when they will come in schools. Okay, my dear students, every student must complete your science copybook neat and clean. Okay, and get registered yourself for your assessment. Okay, define solid with examples. Answer on slide number 5. So everybody observe the slide number 5, which I am showing you here for you. Everybody look at the slide number 5 and take the screenshot quickly. Yes, this is the solid. Define solid. Solid has fixed shape. Solid object size and shape remain the same. Examples: wood, plastic, block, glass, etc. This is the answer of your question number 1. Okay, this is the answer of your question number. Define solid. Question number 1. Have you took the screenshot? Very good. Now I am coming here. Next answer, which is about the liquid. Liquid answer is here. So you can take the screenshot of liquid. This one is your question number 2. Define liquid with examples. So first you take the screenshot of this slide. This is your question number 2 answer. Liquid is fluid, bed, and have no fixed shape. Examples: water, milk, honey, cold drink, juice. Okay. I hope you have taken the screenshot of this answer number 2. Okay, my dearest student, this one I made for you. Okay, this one is for you. Liquid is fluid, wet, and have no fixture. Now come on the home task again. Home task. So I have discussed with you at book exercise. Define solid with examples. Answer on slide number 5. Define liquid with examples. Answers on slide number 8, which I have shared with you. Now, draw mind map on solids and liquid. Any 6 name I have shared with you. You will draw 2 mind map, one for solid and one for liquid, and you will put 6 names. Okay. Now, question number 4. Draw any one solid and liquid object with their name. This is your last question of unit solid and question. Draw any one solid and liquid object with their names. You draw any one solid in solid column and any one liquid and in liquid columns. Okay, I have shared with you many examples. So you will select any one solid and any one liquid for the drawing in your science copy. Okay, so get registered yourself for the assessment. Okay, and I have completed my today unit number 9. Tomorrow I will be start the last unit, which is about the sound. Okay, Allah Hafiz from my side.